Welcome to the CAPSI Wits PhD Writing and Methodology Workshop, a transformative week designed to strengthen the academic journey of emerging African scholars. Hosted by the Center on African Philanthropy and Social Investment in partnership with the Wits Business School, this retreat brings together PhD students from across Africa and its diaspora at the Wits Rural Facility in Mpumalanga.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Jamini.
My name is Tanatswa Chineka.
My name is Lilin Kamatawu.
Tout le monde, je m'appelle Amina Taba.
My name is Emmanuel Okello.
My name is Vivian Kamanga Kondwe.
Hi everyone, my name is Daphne Makawane.
My name is Loretta Ruth Lucy.
Yeah, my name is Samuel Nkansapia.
My name is Kotetsa Mukhele.
I'm Blessings Panda.
Saudações a todos. Chamo-me Yara Pedro Nova, sou estudante de doutoramento.
The workshop creates a space for doctoral candidates to deepen their academic research writing, refine their research methodology, and engage meaningfully with leading scholars in the field of African.
How has this fellowship been beneficial to me? I've been able to meet very key mentors in this journey from CAPSI, as well as been able to meet a lot of other scholars who are doing research in my domain. And this has really given me an environment where I am able to interact, being able to share experiences as well as gain from other scholars.
And I'm here at Wits Rural Village in Mpumalanga for a writing retreat and reflecting on this journey. Really, it has been a week of progress, concentrating on my PhD, refining my proposal, and strengthening it with fellow PhD students as well.
Ultimately, the work that we are doing here, we wanted to translate to the communities where we come from and to develop even the communities and the societies where we belong. And it is quite important that the research that we do as academics not only speak to us and not only serve us and advance the knowledge that we debate as academics, but always think about how does practically the work that we do translate on the ground.
I think what it's really about is trying to find yourself and your voice in the literature and formulating something that has a flow. I think one of the most challenging things is to create a coherent flow of ideas and really just delve deep into ideas one idea at a time. And so I'm learning that at the writing retreat. I think the writing retreat is something that is very important for all scholars. It gives you time to focus solely on the project that you're doing and gives you time away from the noise for you to concentrate on your work.
Participants benefit from structured writing sessions, personalized mentorship, academic coaching, and constructive feedback that helps shape their proposals, strengthen their theses, and build confidence in their scholarly voice. This program forms part of CAPSI's commitment to nurturing the next generation of African researchers who will advance knowledge in philanthropy and social investment across the continent. Through practical training, academic engagement, peer learning, and reflective dialogue, the workshop supports students in developing rigorous, impactful, and contextually relevant research. By fostering collaboration, sharpening methodological skills, and creating a supportive environment for scholarly growth, the CAPSI Wits PhD Writing and Methodology Workshop continues to play a vital role in building a strong and vibrant community of African academics committed to shaping the future of philanthropy and development.
I'm quite delighted to have been here with CAPSI for the writing retreat, where we started with 2 days before we went to the venue for the writing retreat, where we were given an opportunity to have interaction and dialogue around very critical research and academic concepts that seek to ground who we are, how we think and process intellectual material and issues as PhD students. So broadly, these covered issues like foundational philosophical and issues, for example, such as ontologies and epistemologies, and then theory and methodologies. And for me, that first part was very key. It brought to light things that we've read for a while, things that we've dealt with even in our own research, but there's a certain light and clarity that was brought into what these actually mean, and reinforcement on how this should be on our own research. So that then prepared us that when we come to light, we really are very critical in our approach on what we are doing and why we are doing it. And particularly for me, the major takeout from those 2 days was you cannot see without a theory, and without your methodology being properly oriented with that theory, you are actually not making a meaningful contribution, and it's very difficult to qualify whatever you're doing as scientific.
PhD can be a lonely journey, and what I would like to encourage my fellow PhD scholars who are already in the game and those who would aspire to actually join a PhD program is find a network that you can belong to. It doesn't have to be the people who are in the same discipline as yourself, but there's always something to learn from each other. If your research doesn't make sense to someone, if you're in the social sciences background and your research doesn't make sense to someone in the engineering background, then it also means your research has a problem. So having people from different disciplines actually helps you understand your research even better.
À travers ma directrice de thèse, professeure Fatoumata Anne, que je salue de passage. Et c'est une opportunité unique pour moi d'être boursière du CAPSI, parce que au-delà de l'appui financier, il nous forme à devenir de futurs leaders engagés dans le changement social, surtout en ce qui concerne la philanthropie, qui est un levier important de développement pour notre continent.
My being here has been very helpful in terms of what I can do, what I can write, because like it says, it's a writing and methodology workshop. So it has been very helpful for me because I'm still in my proposal development stage. I finished my chapter 1 of the proposal, and now I'm working on my literature review, and I think it has been very helpful just listening to the lectures around how theory is very critical in helping me shape my proposal and helping me shape my research.
So joining the fellowship, I've had the opportunity to attend seminars, workshops, and international conferences. These include the African Philanthropy Conference, the CAPSI seminars, and then workshops. The recent CAPSI PhD workshop and methodology retreat has helped refine my methodological knowledge and skills, specifically in areas such as research paradigms, research designs, research methods, and data analysis. Now, the relevance of philanthropic research is not only important, but also very timely. We are in a time when the rate of unemployment among the youth keeps on increasing, which has economic implications and threatens national peace. The government somewhat is incapacitated singularly to bring solutions to this problem. Therefore, this requires the urgent research intervention of how the non-profit sector can complement government's efforts to help address these problems that disturbs the society.
I think attending workshops or retreats like the CAPSI retreat that we're attending now, it really brings so much of knowledge, and also it allows one to have that time of reflection that you can have on your own, because while you are doing it, when you're not at the retreat, yes, you do it, but I think to find a quiet time where you are able to spend all your time reflecting on what you've done, it's really for me, it's really doing so much for me, because at the moment I'm able to look at the interviews that I've done with some of the respondents, and I'm able now to be reflecting on it and listening and trying to have enough time. It has helped me especially yesterday. I think I was able to sit and look at the 2 interviews that I've done, and I was able to pick some themes from those interviews. So I think this retreat, it is really very useful. I would encourage everybody who is able to be part of this CAPSI retreat to apply and be part of it, because there's a lot that you're gonna learn from.
Eu sou também bolseira do projeto da Mastercard e eu estou aqui na Wits Facility para um workshop promovido pela CAPSI sobre a escrita e metodologia para doutorandos, e tem sido uma experiência gratificante, pois é importante estarmos aqui a debater sobre a escrita, que vai melhorar a importância da escrita para a melhoria de políticas e também para pôr em ações as nossas pesquisas. Muito obrigada.
It's nice to be here, and it's one of the wonderful moments to be given a chance to be part of this workshop where we are equipped with the skills on research methodology, how to do proper research drafts, how to do proper proposal, to be assisted, to be mentored. It's one of the wonderful moments in life that I have never thought of. It's just good.